2025 Civil Service Reviewer. General Information. Question number 1. The power of state to take private property for public use with just compensation. Is it A. Power of eminent domain? Letter B. Taxation power? Letter C. Police power? Or letter D. Political power? The correct answer is letter A. Power of eminent domain. Question number 2. The following sectors represents in the House of Representatives through the party list system except letter A. Indigenous cultural communities, letter B. Women, letter C. Religious, or letter D. Labor. The correct answer is letter C. Religious. Question number 3. The branch of the Philippine government that is responsible for reinforcement and implementation of the laws. Letter A. Legislative. Letter B. Executive. Letter C. Judicial. Or letter D. Bicameral. The correct answer is letter B. Executive. Question number 4. He is generally known as the father of human rights advocacy in the Philippines. Letter A. Robert A. Neri. Letter B. Joseph P. Batombakal. Letter C. Jose W. Jokno. Or letter D. Thoman G. Lim. The correct answer is letter C. Jose W. Jokno. Question number 5. An act that aims to streamline the current systems and procedures of government services. Letter A. RA 6713. Letter B. RA 3019. Letter C. RA 9485. Or letter D. RA 11032. The correct answer is letter D. RA 11032. Sana nakuha mo lahat ng mga question mga ka-reviewer. Pwede mong i-comment ang iyong score and please do share our videos para marami pa tayong matulungan na pumasa sa future exam. Maraming salamat mga ka-reviewer and God bless. 2025 Civil Service Reviewer is already available for only 65 pesos. Again, 65 pesos na lang ito mga ka-reviewer. Kindly direct message us to avail this big promo. Also available din ang aming Let Reviewer and Napolcom Reviewer. And if you want to take all, it is only 150 pesos. Ano pang hinihintay natin mga ka-reviewer? Avail na. For more videos and reviewers, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at All Exam Reviewers. Claim it, makakapasa ako.